Hello and welcome. Today we're going to make a great money-saving hack. We found this Christmas decor on Wayfair and it was a $3.76 on sale. We had the urn and we had the lantern and we had some swag already. As always, we appreciate your support. Please hit subscribe and like. So this is the lantern that we used and the candle, but you could use any lantern that you have or any candle you have around the house. Then you can use any wreath or Christmas swag that you have. We used a Christmas swag and we matched up the poinsettias, the pine cone, ribbons, and the berries to match the photo on the website. To save yourself some big dollars, you can just use anything that you have around the house. It doesn't have to be an urn like this. Like I say, it could be a wreath, any lantern that you have, or any urn. This will be the biggest cost-saving hack and the easiest that you'll do all year. And just look at that beautiful result. Super easy, super affordable, and it's absolutely beautiful. So I hope you give this a try, and thanks for watching.